In this video tutorial, you will learn how to install Google Analytics in WordPress. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for learning about your site. It can seem confusing with the steps they give you to install Google Analytics on your site, but our video should simplify the process for you. First, you have to make a Google Analytics account. To do that, open a new tab, and in the Google search bar, type google.com/analytics. Then click here on Start for free. It might ask you to sign in with your Google account, so you can do so. I was already signed in. Then on this page, click on Setup for free to get started. Now enter an account name, leave the recommended settings on, and click on Next. Now we have to create a property. So, enter a property name. You can enter your website's name here. Then select the time zone here, and you can change the currency from here if you want. Then click on Next. Here, you have to enter some information about your business. The first option is to select your industry. So click here on the drop-down. You can select from the given options. If your industry is not covered in these options, you can select Other. Then you have to select your business size. So select here how many employees work in your company. Then you have to select how you intend to use Google Analytics. Again, you can select from the options provided if the options you want is not here. You can click on Other and specify what you want from Google Analytics. Then click on Create. Now Google will ask you to accept their terms and conditions, which you can do like this. Now you are redirected to the Google Analytics admin. Here we will add our website. So in the platform, click on Web. Enter your website URL here. And your stream name, which is your website's name. Then click on Create Stream. Then under Tagging Instructions, click on Global Site Tag. And click here to copy the tag. Then back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Insert Headers and Footers and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. After the plugin gets activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Then go to Settings, and then click on Insert Headers and Footers. In the Scripts in Headers section, paste the site tag. Then scroll down and click on Save. Now Google Analytics should be activated on your website. After some time, you will start seeing the performance of your website and much more in the Google Analytics dashboard. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.